Question number 3, solve the equation log base 2x minus 4 is equal to 5 log base x2. We know that log base x2 is equal to 1 over 2 log base 2x. So we have the log base 2x minus 4 is equal to 5. So log base x2 is equal to 1 over log base 2x. So by cross multiplying, we will have log 2x times log base 2x minus 4 times log 2x is equal to 5. Let log base 2x is equal to y. So this one is equal to y times y minus 4 times y minus 5 equal to 0. Or you can write it y square minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization, because negative 5 times 1 is equals to negative 5. When we add them, negative 5 plus 1 is equals to negative 4. So we can write it y square minus 5y plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have y common and y minus 5 plus 1 common, and we will have y minus 5 equal to 0. So we have the two factors, which are y plus 1 times y minus 5 equal to 0. So equating each with 0, we will have y plus 1 equal to 0, means we have y is equal to negative 1. On the other side, we have y minus 5 equal to 0. So y is equal to 5. We just consider that y is equal to log base 2x. So this one is log base 2x is equal to negative 1. And in this case, we have log base 2x is equal to 5. So this one is equals to the x is equal to this base will be 2 to the power of negative 1, this one, and on the other side we will have x is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Okay, so this one is equal to 2 inverse, and this one is equal to 1 over 2. On the other side, this one is equal to 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So we have the solution of the given equation, that x is equal to half and 3 by 32. Sorry. Part B, solve the equation exponential of x square minus 3 is equal to 25 exponential of 7 minus x square. Exponential of x square minus 3 is equal to 25 1 over exponential of negative. When we reciprocate this value, we will have negative 7 minus x square. By cross multiplying, we will have exponential of x square minus 3 times exponential of negative 7 plus x square is equal to 25. By using the power rule, we know that when there is a multiplication and base is same, power will be add up. So exponential of x square minus 3 minus 7 plus x square is equal to 25. So further solving, we will have exponential of 2x square minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10 is equal to 25. To solve this one, we will take ln both sides. So we will have 2x square minus 10 ln e is equal to ln 25. Okay, ln e is 1. So we will have 2x square minus 10 equals to ln 25. When we switch negative 10 on the right side, we will have 2x square is equals to ln 25 plus 10. And x square is equals to ln 25 plus 10 over 2. We need to find the value of x, so we will take under root both sides. So we will have x is equals to plus minus under root ln 25 plus 10 over 2. So this was the required solution.